to another adventure. Today, we're exploring one of Rizal's hidden gems, the majestic Tinipak River and Cave in Tanay, Rizal. If you're a nature lover or someone craving a break from the city, this is the perfect escape. But first, what does Tinipak actually mean? In English, Tinipak translates to chiseled or carved, and you'll quickly see why. Tinipak has a unique charm and a bit of mystery. According to locals, the river and cave were once sacred to early settlers. Over time, it became known as a place for healing and spiritual retreats, though not as widely known as the other tourist spots. It has slowly gained popularity thanks to its raw beauty. The Tinipak River is part of the Daraitan area, nestled between the Sierra Madre mountain range. What makes it truly special? The milky blue waters are crystal clear and refreshingly cold. Massive limestone boulders line the river, giving it a dramatic look. And let's not forget the natural cave that features an underground stream, cold, dark, and thrilling to explore.
Right now, we are on our way to Tinipak Cave. So, on my left side, it's Tinipak River. And we are here in Tanay, in Daraitan, Tanay. So, let's go this way.
We started the day early, trekking from the barangay hall. The hike was around 45 minutes to 1 hour, depending on your pace. Along the way, we passed through rice fields, crossed bamboo bridges, and saw breathtaking views of the mountains.
Guys, andito kami sa Tinipak River and papunta kami ng cave. But, one thing na hindi ko nagustuhan dito, ang daming bayarin, like a la carte lahat. First, nag-stop kami, nabudol kami. Hingi ng donation, 50 pesos, it's okay. For the church, it's okay. Second time, environmental fee, 50 pesos each, right? Environmental fee, 50 pesos. And then, magano? 20 pesos for the environmental fee. Entrance fee, 100. Environmental fee, yung pagdaan namin sa bridge nila, 100 pesos. And then, bayad kami ng guide and magkano? Guide sa barangay? 500. Tapos, tricycle kami kasi hindi kaya ng kotse na pumasok dito. So, kailangan namin mag-tricycle. Maana naman kami doon, another bayad na naman. So, a la carte.
The rock formations here are believed to be millions of years old. It's a protected area, so no littering and no vandalism. Let's keep it beautiful. Next stop, Tinipak Cave.
Right now guys, we're inside the cave. Doon kami nag-entrance. Doon kami bababa. Going down there.
Let's go. This part was a bit more challenging. The entrance is narrow and the rocks are slippery.
We are already inside the cave and super madulas. So we have to be careful, guys.
I need some oxygen, guys.
The deeper we go, the cooler it gets.
Inside the cave, we can do this, guys.
Alam mo kasi maliwanag, makita mo yung view, makita mo yung tubig. Ay, maliwanag na dyan eh.
Look at these walls, smooth, shiny, shaped by flowing water over thousands of years. Every step feels like an adventure, and also a workout.
Friends, picture tayo dito.
Pang sagada.
That's Mount Daraitan. They said we went there. It's not minor, guys. The difficulty feels like major. It's beautiful.
If you're looking for an adventure that's close to Manila, budget-friendly and unforgettable, Tinipak River and Cave should be on your list. Nature, history, and friendship all in one place. Until the next adventure, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Ate, wala kang to. Ang taga-ihaw imported. Guys,
Ilang seryo yung ano?
Dalawang kita po. Tapos, 4 na isaw.
Pre, gutom ka na, pre.
mura lang para sa'yo. So, gusto niyo po ba ng ano, ng crunchy and so, malutong?
Iwalay ko na kayo man.
Ikaw mo may, hindi ko alam yung English. Ako ito, katutubo.
Anong gusto mo? Uy, paluto nyo na crunchy. Malutong. Malutong. Overcook. Masunog.
Ano?
Uy. Guys, this is isaw. This is chicken intestine.
Wala na kaming dala.
Sinayaw. Sabi ano to? Buko juice, guys. Gusto niyo buko juice? Ano? Coconut. Gusto niyo?
Go.
Dalawa.
Melon na maliit. Maliit.
Eh, bilda tayo. Ay, gusto na ako barya. Bilda ko ng ano. May barya ka? Ay. May barya ka pa ba? Sorry naman ate. Oh, di po na.
Paano ko kukunin yun?
Mark! Malinis yung paa niyo, ha? Naglalaro pa camera, ba't pag ganun ka? Naglalaro pa. Naglalaro pa. Hirap kaya ate. Bakit hindi ka madungis?
Ihigup lang ako.
Naghugas ka?
Katulad nyo ako?
Uy, katulad nyo kami, oh.
Oo.
Okay, oh.
Yung pet
Ayun,
mo?
ipatay gutom mo.
Ano naman yung pants ko?
Bibili na kayo ng lemon. Ayun.
At ayun na. Magkano nga to ate? Bayad na. Oo nga.
Matamis yung matang may coffee sa pet.
Magkano yun ate? Kamote. Kala decision ako guys. 3 for 135 bigay ni ate. Pero ako na nag-decision before ito sa kanya.
May kutsilyo ba?
Hindi ka gutom eh. Hindi na tayo nagkakaintindihan natin. Akala ko nanghihiram siya pambayad niya ng ano.
Ayan na ba? Friend, may kutsilyo ka doon? Wala?
Ate!
Pwede?
Ang tanong mo.
Uy, ano yung talong na yan?
Katawin?
Yan pang bibiyakay.
Dapat yung makintab, huwag yung
Ito.
yung ganito.
Diyos ko, paano na ako magbablog dito?
Hi guys! Ako ang magbablog para kay MD. Ngayon, nandito kami sa
Tinipak.
sa
We're
daan.
going
Nasa
to-
kalye kami. Bumibili lang kami ng fruits. And nandito kami sa
Kalmara?
Jenna General Marking Road, and papunta kami ng Tinipak River. Bibili kami ng fruits, kakainin namin doon. Welcome to MD's Travel Vlog. Like and subscribe, guys!